Top leadership tips using emotional intelligence. 1. Communicate clearly and effectively. Ensure you are setting clear expectations and that everyone on your team understands the goals that need to be achieved. 2. Take ownership. As a leader, be willing to take responsibility for your team's successes and failures. 3. Empower others. Encourage your team to take the initiative and be creative in their work. 4. Listen. Make sure you are taking the time to listen to your team's ideas, concerns and feedback. 5. Be a role model. Set a positive example for your team by demonstrating the values and behaviors you want to see in your organization. 6. Respect and support your team. Show appreciation for their hard work and dedication by rewarding their efforts. 7. Be organized. Have a plan for how you will tackle challenges and prioritize tasks. 8. Build trust. Foster an environment where everyone is comfortable expressing their thoughts and opinions. 9. Provide feedback. Give honest and constructive feedback to help your team improve and grow. 10. Celebrate success. Acknowledge and celebrate your team's accomplishments to motivate and reward them.